Then for, okay, choose the columns according to your need, because there is a limitation in choosing the column. You can add 15 to 16 columns here. You cannot use detailed comparison with other company here in the free version. When you become expert, then you may go for the paid version. Disclaimer, I have not yet subscribed for the paid version. I am still using free version. Now, here in the quarterly result, see the consolidated figures. Here you note these figures are in crores, whereas the companies give their results sometimes in lakhs, sometimes in millions, sometimes in crores, and sometimes in billions according to their size. So give proper attention to these figures. Here it all figures are in crores. Now we are view here. If you see, it is appearing view consolidation, view standalone. So if I click on these, then these results are standalone results. And if I go to consolidated, view consolidated, so these are consolidated. Just we check the figures. March 21 sales is 1098 and June 2021 1409. If I go to standalone, this 1098 gone to 891. So standalone figures are these. Standalone figures are lesser and consolidated figures are higher. Now, in these quarterly results, if you expand these sales, you can get here a quick view year on year sales growth. See, we are chartered accountants. Just by seeing this percentage growth, we can judge the results. Going up, here gone down, we can understand this is the lockdown period. And again, in this quarter, massive up in the figures. Then, wherever this plus button is there, just explore this, expand that button. Material cost, employee cost. Employee cost, sales down or whatever the thing, employee cost was in percentage same. Means if the sales was down, had they cutted their salary of employees? Raw material I can understand, it is a variable cost, but employee, it is a semi-variable cost. Accordingly, this you can analyze. Here the material cost gone very high. Now in this quarterly result, you can get the operating margin figure, operating profit, and operating margin percentage. Yeah, gone up, and gone down. Other income, interest, depreciation, tax percentage. Tax percentage is not same, so there may be some effect of deferred taxes, either deferred taxes income or deferred tax expenses. Then net profit, then EPS. This EPS, we are checking the quarterly results. So please note that these EPS are quarterly EPS, not the annual EPS. Yeah, and his raw PDF, this is important. If you click on this link, you can directly go to the pages which were submitted to the BSc and NSc. Okay. And sometimes it is important to see if there is any information which we know the auditor gives as notes to accounts. Sometimes that is important. If you go to Venus Remedies, there are some disclaimers. Check those. Now we are coming to profit and loss. Here again, standalone and consolidated is there. You can choose as per your wish. Then expand these yearly sales. In March 21, it was in declining phase. Expenses, trailing 12-month figure is there also. Then tax, EPS, these are the annual figures. Now, if you notice here, one button is there, product segment. If I click on this, it will not show me the data within this, but it will show me the segmented, what are the segments used in this, segment wise profit, loss, segment wise ROC. If we go to in detail analysis, in deep analysis, then we need an upgraded, we need to upgrade to the premium version for this. Now, these are the important figures. Here you can get the compounded sales growth, 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, trailing 12 months, compounded profit growth. Then stock price CAGR, 1 year it has increased to 21%, whereas 3 years it has increased to 8% only CAGR increase. Now return on equity, 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, and last 1 years. Now in this balance sheet, again we can see standalone and consolidated. As said earlier, expand these and check what is information there whenever there is a plus mark.
Sir, एक question है, when to analyze consolidated figures and when to analyze standalone figures?
See, you can get the answer of this question in our FATA batch fundamental analysis sessions. Yeah, I am a learner. I cannot comment on this question. I am just assisting you how to utilize this utility, this free website. If suppose my basic reading is, if you have some foreign acquisitions and they are not doing well, you are doing well, then check, depend upon the size. If that business is not that much, then you can go for standalone view. If suppose your other subsidiaries are giving 10% of your total consolidated volume, then standalone analysis is also better. This is my personal view. Not take this as a general assumption. Now in this corporate action, if we click here corporate action, it gives us dividend history, bonus, split, that information. And if we go to the equity history, it gives us again only history related to bonus and split, amalgamation, preferential allotment, that is also coming here. So if you check here, from 9 crore to 14 crore share capital has been increased. If you go to here in history, face value has decreased due to split, 2 rupees split to 1, and maybe they have allotted shares further. Yeah, new shares. That's why the total face value has increased. Reserves, other liabilities. If you click on that, the breakup of that other liabilities will appear. Fixed asset, if you click there, gross block. If we see here there is a massive increase in the gross block. It means they had gone for capacity expansion, new equipments purchased. Here also there is little bit increase. So accordingly, as per your choice, you can use these things. Someone may be interested in inventory turnover. What is inventory turnover? That is given here, and you can use the ratio of inventory turnover in the first sheet, first window which we had taken. Thereafter, cash flow. Yearly cash flow is appearing here, and if you click on drill down this, how these figures are arrived broadly. I mark my word, broadly, not exactly. Yeah, that will appear here. Sometimes in some cases I've seen this total is not matching with this total. Yeah, more or less it is near to that, not a heavy deviation. Say then generally what I see is this fixed asset purchased. If there is a year-on-year growth in fixed asset purchase, that means they are going for capacity expansion. And second cross check to this, go for the annual report of this company, check whether they are investing in PPE. From the PPE, whether they are investing in equipments or they are purchasing vehicles. Yeah, I'm not taking a name, but in one of the case, when my friend suggested me, hey, this company is making good capex, but the sales is not increasing. And then we visited the detailed annual report. In that, we found that they had increased capex in their vehicles. मीन्स डायरेक्टर के लिए एकदम मर्सिडीज कार वगैरह परचेस किया, कैपेक्स दिख रहा है, अरे कैपेक्स किया, बट वेदर इट विल इंक्रीज योर कैपेसिटी, नो. So always use our audit techniques. Now this ratio, you can use this also again, standalone and consolidated. Shareholding pattern, you can check here. Insider trades also, major, if you tick here show small quantities, then it will show small quantities also. Otherwise only the major insider trades it will show you. Yeah, it can give us a good idea if their price fluctuation of the share is due to insider trade, then better to take a cautious decision whether to invest or not. Promoters, if you click here, expand that, you can get the details, who are the promoters, FII. See the shareholding pattern, they generally give in this fashion only. Promoters holding FII, DII, government, if any, and public shareholding. In public, if you expand, if there is any major shareholding, then they disclose that here. Then these documents, yeah, this one, this recent announcements, this portion I have explained you. If you go here, you can see what are the board outcome, all the things which they had given to exchange recently. Here in the annual report, you can easily get their annual reports from this. Credit rating, want to say something here. As a fundamental analyst, you must go and read the credit rating report. Why? In this credit rating report, you must go to what is the strong business risk, what are their strength and what are their limitations. Yeah, read this. This will help you while analyzing the company. Now, this is con call. Whenever the company is taking any investor meet online con calls through con call, that information is given here. If you go to here, transcript of the con call, you can get the detailed information here. Yeah, they inform the exchange on what date they have held the con call. It is on investor con call for investors on 3rd July 2021. Outcome and the details of that con call. Yeah, this is important because many times we can get some idea of the management for the future vision. What is the future vision? What is the future plan? For that, you can check this. And sometimes we may see that after the con call, uh, when management declares their future expansion plans, you may just see a sudden spike in the price of the share. So far, so good. Write in your chat box. Okay. Now, as a learning of fundamental analysis, एक company, is it possible for us to see each and every company and track that? No. So if I want to choose certain companies based on my requirement, then what to do? See, I will go to here, tools, screen is visible. In the tools, I will go to create a stock scan, run queries on 10 years of financial stock scan. If suppose I want to choose a company whose operating profit margin is more than 10%. Yeah, just we are seeing the terminology, what they are used, OPM for operating profit margin, while we are choosing the ratios. So just I am typing here OPM 5 years, or I can get only OPM. See here, these are the options available. OPM 5 years, OPM 10 years, OPM last year, OPM preceding year, OPM last quarter, OPM preceding quarter. If suppose I want to choose the companies which OPM of last quarter is greater than OPM of preceding quarter. Just if I write this here in the query, I can get, and I run the query, I can get the result. Total 1525 results found. See, you can make queries on this basis. Yeah, this is I given a just one example, and we can expand the query. While adding another condition, you have to write it and here. जैसे ही मैंने and लिखा, as soon as typed and here, my cursor has gone down for next line. Again, I am choosing OPM for 5 years is greater than 10. I need not write here percentage because as soon as I typed here OPM 5 years, it has given me some hint here. OPM 5 years, average operating profit margin during last 5 years, value in percentage. 10%, and I want net cash flow net cash flow from last year is greater than, here it is net cash flow from last year value, it is in rupees crore, so greater than 0, and net cash flow from flow of last year is greater than net cash flow for preceding year. See, this is, I am giving just an example how to develop the queries. There are a lot of options available there. Now I am running this query. Earlier, there was on the first line, more than 1,500 companies were appearing. Now 325 companies are appearing. Whether all these are good, don't know. Need to analyze each, and then again I further narrowing down ROE, return on equity, is greater than 15. Now I run the query. Now from near about 300, now we reach to 112 companies again, and ROCE, return on capital employed, is greater than 15. Now from 112 we are reached to 101. Like this you can develop your own scan. Now after running this, you are getting the result here. Again, here you can edit the columns as per your requirement. If you want, you can add that column. You don't, if any column you don't want, you can delete that column and just type here, and you can get that column, or choose from this list, so that you can have a better bird's eye review. Yeah.
Is it possible to get mutual fund investment in all shares?
Mm. Is it possible to get mutual fund investment in? Okay.
Is the government investment mutual fund?
And type here, it cannot, this site is not able to give you mutual fund investment. MF it is not taking, mutual fund it is not taking, FII holding it is giving, FII holding is greater than FII. Okay, I will use change in FII holding then. Change in FII holding, I use here greater than 0, so that I will get the companies in which FII holding has increased. For mutual fund, you can check here DII. Yeah, DII holding is there. DII holding is greater than 0. If I place here, oh, again running out of time, 10 minutes. Okay. Now I check this example, Tanla Solutions. If I go to investors, here DII is there. Yeah. Now again I am going to the query. See, these all I am giving an example how to create your scanner. Jot down your points. Based on that, create your own query. See, Raman Bhai has shared some good things with us. This is magic formula. I am just copying this, copy and pasting in this query session. Return on invested capital is greater than 25. And remember, don't forget to write this and. Otherwise, see, I am removing this and from here. Yeah, earning yield greater than 15 and book value greater than 0 and market capitalization is greater than 15 means 15 crore. If I run this query, this will give me an error. Unknown word 25 earning yield means it is joining these two lines. 25 earning yield. That's why you have to write here and. I have not used or in this. Yeah, I don't know whether I can use or not for multiple selection. Now, this has given 102 companies result. We can copy paste this in Excel file. We cannot directly download this, export this to Excel because we are not using premium version. We are using free version. Just go to here, copy paste. Select like this. Copy, open an Excel file. And paste this data. Yeah. Likewise, you can do, but you cannot directly download that. And then in this also you can earlier I just explained you, edit the columns. One more query Raman Bhai has given is, he has shared these queries on our WhatsApp group. Growth without dilution. After running this query, you have one option, save this query. If I save this query, I can give a name. What? Raman's magic formula. And I can add some description here. What he has developed. ROI greater than 25. Earning yield greater than 15. Book value greater than 0. So growing companies with ROI greater than 25, and I am saving this query. After saving this query, if I want to run again this query, I can go to the screens. Here I can get that query. I can run this again. Okay, you will get the same results. Time left 5 minutes. We'll cover one more thing and then rejoin again for 10-15 minutes only. Raman has given an example of OR. This is for capacity expansion. While using the OR formula, you have to start one bracket, then end that bracket. Instead of using here, I will go to tools, create new screen, copy paste that here. See here, the magic. Bracket started, again within that bracket, one more bracket, and then used OR. Then again given something, then use after closing this bracket, closed this whole bracket, and then used AND. Within that bracket, he has used OR. Run this query. You got 202 results. We can save this query, save as capacity expansion. I can see here the whole query. What is it? Save query. Now this save query has gone to my screens section. I can save multiple queries here and use this. Now here you can get the popular queries, popular formula, magic formula. What is, after running this, you are getting, this is developed by someone, 80 results. And what formula he has given? Return on invested capital 25, earning yield 15, book value greater than 0, which Raman Bhai has shared with us on WhatsApp group. Again, we can go here on screens, check here. You can use this growth without dilution. Then from this list, if you click on any company, it will go to the first screen which we have developed. Yeah, you can edit ratios here as per your requirement. You can go here, you can check all the information as per your requirement. Again, you can edit these columns to a limit of 15-16 columns. Again, go down and down, you can check all the results. Now this suppose I liked this information, I can export this information from here to Excel to some extent, not the full information. Still 1 minute is left. I can show you this. Export to Excel, opening the Excel. Here in this Excel, you can get the information first sheet in various sheets. Here is the P&L related information, then quarters, balance sheet, cash flow, and then there is some information about customization, how to customize your own sheet, and there is a data sheet. Never ever disturb the data sheet given by this. Yeah, you can use this information according to your requirement. One best good thing which I found in this, after downloading this, we can see last year result as well as the trailing 12-month result